Hi! In front of me is Honor 70 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Autofill. And by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. If you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To make them visible, you need at least one. You can quickly fix it though by choosing this gear next to Password Manager, making sure that Over to Save Passwords option is enabled, logging in to one of your apps, and hitting Save in Autofill pop-up. This way, your password will appear over here. To add any other one from those settings, click on the plus icon next to Search Passwords. Now you can enter website data, or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Finally, enter username, email or phone number, passwords, and even some helpful notes. When you're ready, just click on Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully added to Google Passwords Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!